Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. This option is designed for personal transfers, such as sending money to a relative, paying back a friend, or sharing the cost of a meal. Before you begin, make sure your PayPal account is set up as a personal account, because that's the type of account you need in order to use the friends and family option. If you're not sure which kind of account you have, it's a good idea to quickly check your account settings before moving forward. That way, you won't run into confusion later in the process. You should also make sure that your preferred payment method, such as your PayPal balance, bank account, or card, is connected and available. Once you're signed into PayPal, look at the top bar of the page and click on Send and Receive. This is the main area where you can send money to someone else, request money, and manage basic payment actions. If you're using the mobile app or the website, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording is usually very similar, so just look for the same option. In some versions of PayPal, you may simply see a Send button instead. After that, go to the Send tab. In this section, you'll see a text field where you can enter the recipient's details. You can type in their name, email address, or phone number associated with their PayPal account. Using the exact email address or phone number connected to their account can help you find the correct recipient more easily. Make sure you enter the correct information here, because sending money to the wrong person can be difficult to reverse. It's always worth taking an extra second to double-check before continuing. You can also ask the recipient to confirm their PayPal details before sending the payment, especially if you have never transferred money to them before. When the correct person appears, select them and review the details carefully. Then, enter the amount you want to send. At this stage, make sure the amount is exactly what you intend to transfer. If needed, pause for a moment and verify everything before going ahead, especially if this is your first time sending money to that person. Also, check the currency shown on the screen, particularly when sending money internationally, because currency conversion or transaction charges may apply. Next, choose the option to send the payment as friends or family. This is an important step because PayPal also offers a separate option for paying for goods and services, and the one you choose affects how the payment is treated. For a personal transfer, such as sending money to someone you know, you'll want to select friends or family. Only use this option for genuine personal payments to people you trust. When buying a product or paying a seller for a service, use the Goods and Services option instead, because personal payments are not intended for commercial purchases. Finally, confirm the payment details and complete the transaction. Before confirming, PayPal may show the funding source, any applicable fee, the currency, and the total amount that will be charged. Once that's done, your money will be sent, and you should see a confirmation on the screen. The recipient may also receive an email or account notification, letting them know that the payment has arrived. That's all there is to it. As a final tip, always review the recipient information, the amount, and the payment type one last time before confirming, just to make sure everything is correct. That final check can help you avoid sending the wrong amount, choosing the wrong payment type, or transferring money to the wrong account.